This demo uses a fictitious class, instructor, and students. Any resemblance to real persons or classes is coincidental. Canvas, Instructor, Inc., and Brightspace, D2L Corp. Are mentioned for demonstration only. GradeProAI is not affiliated with or endorsed by them. Discussion threads. One of the most commonly used features of GradeProAI is the ability to grade and participate in discussion threads. To begin your discussion or to respond to the instructor's or another student's post, first select the prompt and Hamza, our term for humanizers. Once selected, your chosen prompt and Hamzas will appear in both the dashboard and the side panel. If the Auto Evaluate slider is turned on, your highlighted text, along with the selected prompt and Hamzas, will automatically be sent to the API for processing. You can edit or modify this response in either location. When you're ready, insert the text into your LMS by pressing your pre-selected hotkeys. You can also highlight the student's message by simply drag and drop it to the content folder, and it will be automatically sent for the response, and you can immediately insert it into the LMS window. Grading a discussion thread with GPA. We begin the grading process by selecting the appropriate prompt from the library and applying any Hamzas as needed to adjust tone or style. If you want GPA to process all student messages in the thread at once, leave the auto slider on. This ensures that every student post you highlight will be sent directly to GPA for evaluation. When Zen mode is on, GPA automatically inserts the resulting feedback and recommended grades into the gradebook. You still have the ability to review and edit both before submitting them to the LMS. Grading discussion threads, Auto and Zen off. With both Auto and Zen mode turned off, messages can be handled individually or still at once. To process a student's post, highlight the text and send it to the Content tab. Here, you can remove any personal information if necessary before sending it to the API. Because Zen mode is off, nothing is inserted automatically. Instead, you copy the response using your hotkey combination and paste it manually into the gradebook. This manual process allows you to place the feedback exactly where you want it. Grading student papers with Zen mode on. When a student's assignment file is downloaded from the LMS, GPA will automatically unpack it. If the auto evaluation slider is on, the extracted paper is sent directly to GPA for processing. With Zen mode on, GPA not only generates feedback and suggested grades, but also inserts them automatically into the gradebook. You still retain full control and may review or edit the results before submitting them to the LMS. Grading student papers with Zen mode off. When a student's assignment file is downloaded from the LMS, GPA will automatically unpack it. If both the auto evaluation and Zen mode sliders are off, the extracted paper will not be sent to the API automatically. Instead, the instructor can prepare the paper first. For example, by removing the student's name, school, or course details to make it completely anonymous. With Zen mode off, GPA generates feedback and suggested grades but does not insert them automatically. You use the hotkey combination to paste the responses manually. This allows you to place the text into each feedback field. File upload function with GPA. With GPA, you can upload a single student file for evaluation, similar to the way file upload works in ChatGPT. This is especially useful when assignments come from outside the classroom. For example, if a student sends you a paper by email, a word of caution, the Zen mode does not work with the file upload function, so you will need to insert the feedback into the LMS manually. What makes GPA unique is that the results don't remain outside the class environment. After evaluation, you have the option to insert the feedback and grades directly into your course gradebook. This gives you the flexibility of bulk processing while still maintaining a seamless integration with your LMS. Welcome to the Hamzas tab in GradeProAI. Hamza is our nickname for humanizers, a popular feature in AI applications. You might choose neutral or conversational, and at the same time select 200 level or graduate level guidance. These can be mixed and matched with the presets, giving you full control. Just like in the prompts folder, you can save and download Hamzas individually, or use the download button at the top right to save them all at once. And when you're ready, the Upload button lets you import Humzas from your drive. Perfect for sharing collections with a teaching assistant or for students to exchange with each other. Managing your prompts. Prompts are at the core of GPA's functionality. The better the prompt, the better the feedback you deliver to your students. Your prompt library is your biggest treasure as an instructor. In GPA, you can organize and find prompts quickly by applying tags. Just select the tags that match your class or assignment, and the right prompt is instantly ready to use.